Any ideas?
Ring light check, background check, royalty-free music check, sort of seductive sultry poses that aren't natural and way too slow check. Am I a beauty guru yet? What's up everyone, my name is Anna and today I'm gonna be showing you how to achieve this look. This is, you can kind of see, I got multicolored galaxy hair. That's, you know, it's alright, it's alright. It's pretty good for my first try. So I'm basically just gonna run through it. Time lapse, magic, and go! This is of course like everyone else's galaxy makeup tutorial based off of the gorgeous artwork by Kinney, and I've never tried this before, so here we go. First time, woo! How's that looking? Oh, I have no idea, I can't see. Ring lights are blinding. I feel like I look a bit like a Cirque du Soleil performer right now. Let's see if we can fix that. Or not fix that. That's amazing. I'm kind of trying to make it splotchy right now. Just because like, I feel like when you look at galaxies, it's totally uneven, you know, it's not like perfectly smooth. There are some areas that are just like a little cloudier. Some areas that are a little more light, so I don't know. We're gonna see how this looks. It's all gonna be about layers. I might end up with just a bunch of crap on my face. I look like the beginning of a really crappy like face painting butterfly. Ooh, give me a moment. Okay, we do have to fix the rabbit nose, the pig nose, whatever's going on there. So originally I was going to use face paints for this because I really wanted those bright, vivid colors. But I couldn't find my kit anywhere, and this is looking a little duller than I would have liked. So I don't know, maybe I'm gonna try more layers, maybe adding a little bit of water, and we'll see where this goes. I'm also trying to get it not perfectly symmetrical, so that one side kind of goes up and then the other side just swirls down. A little better. I really wish y'all could see this darker blue that I'm using because it's a lot more vivid and beautiful than it shows up. There's just, ugh, I wish it were the same. Yeah, like that looks so just muddy. And it's such a beautiful color on the palette. Like, I don't know if you can, it's such a pretty color, please work. This is trial and error, folks. I am, once again, not a makeup guru. There we go. That's a little more what I'm going for. Well, I did not mean to put that much. Wall. Alright, there ain't no way I can do this from far away. Sorry, BRB. Not a booty. I am a booty guru, not a beauty guru. Lashes. Ooh, let's go full on big eye. Come on, Space Princess. Oh, I do not like that one. We're gonna get rid of that one. Wish I had a smaller brush. I wish I had a smaller brush. It's okay to cry while doing makeup, right? Should've just left it, mistakes were made. You know, I should probably just get a smaller brush. That'd be a lot easier. Mistakes were made, mistakes were made. You know, Anna, we could just not have a star there. Never. All right, let's play a game called How Many Mistakes Till Anna Learns Her Lesson? I'm betting more than 2. Mistakes were made, mistakes were made. All right, hold on. Let's clear this up. No, I made it worse. Good. All right, quitting while we're behind. I've been debating what kind of lip should go with this. And I think I'm gonna focus it on the eyes and almost nude out the lip completely. Almost. Let's see how this goes. What is happening there? Mistakes were made, mistakes were made. Oh my God, mistakes were made. So many mistakes. Okay, change of plans. We're doing this. Alright, so I'm gonna leave it there and move on to hair, and let's all just agree not to talk about whatever's happening on my face right now, cool? Alright, so we got 2 of these little suckers here. I believe it's the Mofajang hair wax. They're supposed to temporarily dye your hair, even dark hair supposedly, we'll see. Just temporarily until your next shower. And since I have dark hair, I've never really gotten to use sort of temporary hair color, so I'm really excited to see if this works. I think what I'll do so I don't mix color is do, whoa, look at that blue, is do the blue first and then accent it with purple. It smells like, it kind of smells like men's shaving cream. Ooh. Okay, I think I already used too much. Just to make it uniform, people have been like combing through it, brushing through it. Let's see if that does anything. Just when you thought I couldn't get cooler, look how wrong you were. I hate this. I hate everything about this. I'm probably also supposed to be using a brush. Like honestly, if this doesn't work, I don't really blame the company at all. I have no idea what I'm doing. This is my focusing phase, by the way. Sorry I look so angry. I have to say, I think once it dries, this is not gonna be too bad. If it dries, ever. These are just awful. Quick break while I clean up my hands and combs and stuff so we can switch to purple. So I may or may not have been in focus that last bit, but you know, sorry if I wasn't. Anyway, here we are. Purple time. Here's the purple and let's get to it. I always kind of want to get the underside of my hair dyed a super dark purple that you can only see in the light so that my hair would look really dark brown normally, but then when I put it up in a ponytail you can see the underside of the purple. I saw someone in my dance class did that once and it looked so pretty. Alright, so I know that I have to brush it through still, but I think we're coming near an end. Ooh, although I'm getting nervous because it's starting to get a real sticky. I think I've used a lot of product. Alright, let's brush through this baby.
McDonald's land is changing.
How so?
Everything is rearranging.
Wow.
Cause it's a beautiful day. And Ronald McDonald has something to say.
What's he gotta say?
Also, that's not the pink brush, but...
Oh, no?
No, but...
You want to give me the pink one? Because I already washed this one and it came out once.
No,
so...
that's fine.
Let's do it. Let's dry that hair. Alright, gang, I think this is as good as it's gonna get. The good news is it kinda looks like normal hair from a distance. The bad news is it is not like run your fingers through it worthy. It's still pretty sticky. But maybe I just put too much in. That's a very good possibility. Good grief. The purple unfortunately didn't end up showing up too much once I brushed it out and dried it. I really wish that came through more. I also stained my dress, but what can you do? I didn't stain it. It'll come out in the wash, but boo. I don't know. Okay, that's gonna have to be good. All right, anyway, I'm gonna make that montage now. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Any ideas?